Çek.
Vallahi sürekli konuşuyor.
Kapıyor. Oğlum kapıyor. Ulan yavaş geldi anasını satayım. Bak soğuğuna bakalım. Vallahi kakırlar gitti. Çek.
Ay.
Lan nereden gördük var ya? O zaman da bir şeyler... Oha görüyorsun. Oraya bak, oraya. Oha kaçın.
Aha.
Imagine waking up to a city transformed overnight. A bustling metropolis, now at the mercy of relentless snowfall. In February 2025, Turkey faced one of its most severe winter storms in recent history, paralyzing daily life and challenging the resilience of its people. From the historic streets of Istanbul to the rural villages of eastern Turkey, the relentless blizzards led to the closure of nearly 1,000 roads, isolating communities and disrupting transportation across multiple provinces.
Günaydın. Günaydın dın. Dın 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 dın.
In the east, provinces like Van, Hakkari, Muş, and Bitlis bore the brunt of the storm. In Van alone, heavy snow and blizzards rendered 74 neighborhoods and 161 hamlets inaccessible. Municipal teams mobilized around the clock, battling the elements to reopen critical pathways and restore a semblance of normalcy. Eastern provinces struggle. In Hakkari, snow accumulation reached up to 30 centimeters in urban centers, with 284 village and hamlet roads cut off. The Provincial Special Administration deployed all available resources, yet the sheer volume of snowfall tested the limits of infrastructure and emergency response. Communities came together, with residents clearing snow from homes and businesses, embodying a spirit of resilience and solidarity. In Muş, where snow depths reached 35 centimeters, 250 village roads were blocked. Authorities issued warnings about the heightened risks of frostbite and ice, urging caution in all activities. Bitlis and unexpected regions affected. Bitlis faced similar challenges. with 219 village roads rendered impassable. Municipal teams prioritized clearing main arteries to ensure access to essential services, while residents took to the streets, shovels in hand, to aid in the massive cleanup effort. Even regions unaccustomed to heavy snowfall, such as Adana in southeastern Turkey, were not spared. A total of 198 village and hamlet roads were closed, a rare occurrence that caught many off guard. The Provincial Special Administration reported ongoing efforts to clear 25 roads in the city center and numerous others in surrounding districts. Widespread impact across multiple provinces. The storm's reach extended to Şırnak, Batman, Siirt, and Bingöl, where severe conditions led to the closure of roads to 559 settlements. In Şırnak, critical highways were blocked, while in Batman, over 120 villages faced isolation. Emergency teams worked tirelessly, yet the scale of the disaster posed significant challenges. Meteorological insights and forecasts. Meteorologists had warned of a powerful cold front sweeping across the nation, predicting heavy snowfall for Istanbul and the Marmara region between February 18th and 24th. Forecasts indicated that parts of Istanbul could receive up to 100 centimeters of snow, with temperatures plummeting to -5 degrees Celsius. In anticipation, Istanbul braced for impact. Authorities mobilized snow removal teams while residents prepared for potential disruptions. The city, known for its resilience, faced the impending storm with a mix of concern and determination. Uludağ and the silver lining. In Uludağ, a renowned ski destination, the forecast promised fresh snowfall, attracting winter sports enthusiasts. The resort prepared for an influx of visitors eager to experience the pristine, snow-covered slopes. Resilience and recovery. This unprecedented winter event tested the mettle of Turkey's infrastructure and the spirit of its people. Through collective effort, resilience, and unwavering determination, communities navigated the challenges, emerging stronger and more united in the face of nature's formidable forces. While the snow has since melted and life has returned to its usual rhythm, the events of February 2025 serve as a testament to the enduring strength and solidarity of the Turkish people. Fade out with soft music, displaying a message. This video reflects events that occurred in February 2025.